December 24th, Christmas Eve. Light it up. Get the pig. Watch what you say, people. We're going live. We're going live.
Oh, you're already recording?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh my word, Maya. I look a mess.
Oh, it's kind of angled right here.
Oh, I need gloves. All right, puppy.
I don't remember this part.
I do, baby.
No, oh. Glad it ain't smell-o-vision.
What?
I said I'm glad it's not smell-o-vision.
You are so silly.
Oh yeah, it got us. We in there. Oh,
No, I know.
yeah.
Remember how we did it? No, we did it like this. We did it like that.
Maybe it's vice versa.
I think we did it like that. Either way, we could do it. Okay.
Did you do a drum roll?
Yeah, drum roll, please, puppy.
You already videotaped.
Yeah, so that's perfect.
Look at that, look at that smoke come off there.
Look at that, Pop.
Whoa.
Alright? Nice.
Face down.
No.
Butt up.
Fake. Yeah.
It has to be. right? Because we put this down
Yep.
and we flip it after the.
It's okay. It's okay.
That's why I had to be able to hear it.
Yeah, it's okay.
I mean, it still holds.
It's holding.
I thought it's just the carrier.
Yep. Give me 1 second because I just want to do one more thing.
Oh, yeah, four. Oh.
Wait, I am, but first I gotta do something else, okay?
What do you need? If you need the moho, it's in the garage, though.
And then the coal goes on top?
Right
All
there.
this time I always thought the coal was underneath and you put the pig on top.
Put it on. I'll put this on top. Put about, we can do a whole bag. It says 8 pounds, maybe 12. Put a pile here, pile there. Get ready. Spread them out. There it goes. That first pile.
Good.
Oh, she's gonna do it.
It's good. Wrong way. You got to do it there with.
You got it?
Everybody.
That's everybody.
Okay. Put this inside that.
Put the bag in here, baby, so I can.
No. Put that inside the bag.
Okay.
You're using it as garbage now. Yeah, it's only the top, and you can grab it from the bottom to close it up.
There you go. You're in
It's
business?
got to go in the garbage. It's not flat.
Yeah.
You want me to get the vacuum?
That's right, that's right. Maybe take your,
Believe me, I can't wait to get home.
you tried it?
Hold on, babe. Hold on, babe. Hold on. Step back there, please.
Oh.
Sir, if you don't mind. Honors.
Oh, that's right. Papi and I like it. The men did the honors. I love it. Yep.
Hold that baby back. Get to that baby. That's why I got the hot glove. Oh, it's good.
It's good.
It's warped, from the heat, so.
You're in business, guys. All right, I'm gonna go inside.
Would this be like smoking that pork? Or is that wood, man?
Yeah, but remember the inner part is the
Metal.
aluminum. Yeah.
Oh, okay, all right.
It's like a grill. So yeah.
You one of these blowtorch guys, huh?
use my toy?
You one of these blowtorch guys, huh? Forget about the oil, the
Lighter.
the lighter, the fluid, or what have you. When did you get that?
Last year Christmas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because 2022, when we went to Louisiana,
Mm-hmm.
and on our way back from my godmother's funeral, on our way back, we stopped at my brother in Tallahassee, and he had one. I was like, Burrow? And then he saw it, of course, and then, yeah.
Got it.
So no, it was 2022, because we came, yeah, because we went up there in December of 2022 to Louisiana.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, December, yeah, our funeral was in December. And we came back, yeah, so yeah.
Slick, man. be shy. Really? Oh, it screws internal?
Yeah, just like your gas bill does. It's the same type of fitting.
Yeah, but my pit, I got the outer, the bulky one that goes on the outside.
Yeah, that's how. Yeah.
Fun. Don't try this at home, kids. This party started.
That's it?
Yes, sir.
So in other words, you're gonna let that one heat up and then you toss another one on it? Or what?
Yep. So basically, the instructions on the side, which I followed to the T, and it worked perfect. You know, it tells you to add cold after the first hour. So we're at noon, 11:59. So I add 8 more pounds of charcoal by 1 o'clock. Then after another hour, add another 8 pounds. After another hour, you skip. And then after half an hour, it says add 10 more pounds of charcoal.
Woo. That gives you a lot of ashes, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
So you're actually slow cooking this bad boy.
Yes, sir.
And then with the breeze you got going right now, sheesh.
Yeah, that first year was terrible though,
Why?
because it was cold, and I did it on Christmas Day.
Oh.
That first year when we first tried it out, and yeah, it was cold and it was at night, and it took like 7 hours to that temperature. The temperature was messing with me, so
But now you got it down to a science.
I think so. This is year what, 3? Yeah, I think it's year 3.
Yeah, but you've done some in between the holidays.
Not with this though. I've done Bethune and everything on my smoker, but not this. I only use this for Christmas.
Okay.
Christmas time.
Because I remember that you would do some sort of cooking when it wasn't no holiday or whatever.
Oh, that's every Sunday. Football season? Football season, that's every Sunday. Pause for station identification.
That God is standing by. Sometimes when you're burning, don't just remember God is standing by. Thank you, Lord. So there's no need to cry. Oh,
All right?
So you wouldn't let it go like that for now.
Yes, sir.
Instead of sitting like this, I feel like that commercial, get off the ass. What was that? I just got a sent them.
Cherry. right, closing in on the first hour. Getting close, getting close. It's smelling good. Closing in already in the first hour with the smell of cooking. So we'll be adding more coals in a little bit. It's cooking good. Wish this was smell-o-vision. All right, we're at our 1 hour mark. About to add the coals. 8 pounds of more coal to it.
Using the bag.
Yeah, because as soon as I add it in there, it's gonna
Flare out. So the gas is, the fluid that's on the new one just cranks right up.
Huh?
The fluid from the new one just cranks that plane right up.
Oh yeah.
So that intensifies it a little more now.
Yeah. You want to smell it though? Smell it right.
Huh?
You want to smell it?
No, I smelled it out front when
Oh,
I
you
was
did?
coming back.
Oh, you did smell it all the way up there?
Yeah, the breeze. The breeze takes it.
Yeah. As any, as
Well,
any,
if anything, I smelled the fire, the flame, you know, the whatever smoke goes up in the air, I smelled that.
All right, we good for 1 more hour. Then we add another 8 pounds. See you then. All right, so we're still cooking. But now, kids and grandkids starting to show up. Jackson over there.
I'm playing hide
Kim
and seek
Kim.
with my friends. And I turned
Zamaya.
really small so I can make it really hard. Hi.
Kai Kai.
Hi.
Kim, Phoenix. So it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 6. We miss you, Silas. That's my boy too.
Hi, you guys. Kevin.
So, but yep,
Hey, not to love sugar.
we're doing our thing. We're almost time to add more coals. I already got you ready. I said, how's my daughter? Actually, hold on.
Wait, yeah.
My girl did some greens. She did collard greens.
Yeah, for the first time. Num nums. I make the ham too.
Again, I don't know why she made a ham. I got a whole pig outside
The more
in the box, and she gonna make a whole pig. I mean, she gonna make a ham. How she made a ham?
More the merrier.
No more than marrying nothing. She gonna take it home with
Mama
her. I
likes,
can tell you
Mama
that.
likes ham.
I do love ham. Did you get a picture of the flan?
I'm coming. I'm making my rounds. And of course, the wifey made the flan.
Oh, I got the apple
Puerto
pie in the oven.
Flan puertorriqueño. I'm gonna boil some pasteles. I'm gonna make arroz con gandules and ensalada de papa. Oh, I look a mess. Don't do that. I thought you weren't doing that.
All right.
Pie.
So we're gonna be adding some more coal in a little bit, another 10 minutes or so.
Come eat your sandwich.
So waiting on the rest of the family to come. My other 2 boys, in-laws, my mom, and then father-in-law out there roasting. I don't know if I could get him in there. He out there enjoying Florida weather. Did I get him?
Done. Took me an hour to make. I washed the green.
Enjoying it.
All
right.
Turkey.
Pausing. All right, guys. We in hour number 3.
Oh,
Gotta add some more charcoal time.
We're playing it smart this time around.
Oh yeah.
Would this be more or less the final? Or more?
Hold on. So I follow that chart on the side.
Oh.
So right now, Pops, we are at this hour. So now we wait another hour. So it's 2:20 now. So 3:20. I'll skip. Don't do anything. Then a half an hour later, add 10 pounds. Then a half an hour after that, dispose of the ashes, turn the pig, score the skin, and then we'll check the skin every 30 minutes. Slightly opening the box by one of the corners. If the skin is crispy to your liking, you're good. If not, continue roasting for 10 more minutes.
Time, big guy. Where does all this go when you're trying to? That's why the pilot's out there.
Yeah. So I'll take that off, put it over there.
Oh, cool. All right.
Yeah. So once I add that last 10 pounds,
Uh-huh.
then it says dispose of the ashes and turn the pig. So I'll take this off, put that over there, and just let it sit over there. I mean, I can dump the ashes, but I don't know how to get the ashes.
And then, question: when you flip the pig over, when you flip it over, are you putting this back on it again?
Yes.
You put that back up on top.
Yes. Yeah, 'cause it's just you're just disposing of the ashes. So I gotta get the ash off. So whatever coals are left. That's why I got the hot gloves too.
Yep, they're cool.
Yeah.
How come these guys ain't busting out in flames?
Because it's hot, but it's not hot enough to get it going. Which I'm gonna help it out. But yeah, that's when you can grab these here and shake it, kind of shake it around, and the ash will drop in that bottom one too. So that's what I said, you shake it, get the ashes, drop into the other pan, the cold one. And then we can remove that, dump the ashes or whatever, and then put it back. But that's this arm here, basically you can pick this up and sit it here, yeah, sit on this.
All right, then I'm here for you for that. So that way.
Yeah, we'll shake the ashes first,
Yeah.
take the cold one, put it over here.
Yeah.
And then I gotta remember what I did about the ashes last time.
Roxanne, she's a book. You go behind it. The breeze is going this way.
Yeah, I know. When I walked, I was like, oh no, that ain't gonna work.
Man, that bad boy's smelling good, man.
Yeah, it is.